Welcome to Udyamo HRMS. Today, I will walk you through the quick and easy steps to add a new employee from the admin side. As an admin, start by logging into your Udyamo HRMS account. Once you are logged in, you will land on the main dashboard. From the dashboard, head over to the Employee section in the navigation menu. Click on it and you will see an Add Employee button. Click that button to begin adding a new employee. You will be prompted to enter the employee's basic information. Begin by adding their first and last name. You will also see an option to specify whether this person is a contractor. You can fill in other details as needed, such as the joining date, office location, department, designation, and role. Next, provide the employee's email and set a secure password for them. There is also an option to enable or disable portal access for this employee. When you are done, click Save and Continue to move on. In this step, enter the employee's annual CTC. Below, you will see salary component calculations based on the structure your organization has configured. Once everything looks good, click Save and Continue to proceed. Now, you can add personal details for the employee, such as their email, contact number, and address. If you would prefer, you can skip this section and let the employee complete it once they are onboarded. When ready, select Save and Continue. The final section allows you to enter the employee's bank details. If you don't have this information yet, you can skip this step, allowing the employee to fill it in later. Once you have saved all the information, the employee will automatically receive an invitation email to join your organization on the Udyamo HRMS portal. And that's it. You have successfully added a new employee to Udyamo HRMS. Thank you for watching this demo. With Udyamo, employee onboarding is quick, smooth, and keeps all essential details in one organized place.